In many classrooms, science and maths remain abstract, memorized, not understood. ThinkTac brings learning to life with hands-on activities, making it real, joyful, and meaningful. As a social enterprise, we've reached over 100,000 students and 25,000 educators with curriculum-aligned programs that integrate into school timetables, building, questioning, and applying concepts. Every child is curious. With structured lesson plans, real-time teacher support, and our innovate through variables approach, we go far beyond kits, cultivating scientific thinking and joy in learning. Fully aligned with NCERT, CBSE, ICSE, Cambridge, and IB curricula, and with NEP 2020 to build knowledge, skills, and confidence. Now, in its ninth edition, the Raman Awards is India's largest experiential science contest by a private organization, a national platform by ThinkTac in collaboration with the Raman Research Institute Trust, where students showcase their curiosity and scientific thinking. Partner with ThinkTac. Let every child learn through curiosity, creativity, and action.